As tensions escalate in the wake of Operation Sindhu, security has been ramped along the Indo-Nepal border amid fears of infiltration by suspected Pakistani operatives. My colleague Samarthya is on the ground and he brings us this report.
So after the success of Operation Sindoor by the Indian Armed Forces, Pakistan terror outfits are completely damaged badly. And now, but the danger is not over as Pakistanis are trying hard to make their militants enter the Indian border and to control that infiltration. SSB Jawans are posted here in the Indo-Nepal border where India Today TV is currently reporting. We are present in a jungle where the combing operation by the SSB Jawans is on. So this is the pillar which in a way differentiates India from Pakistan. This is India from where we are, from where this combing operation is on, while on the other hand that is Nepal. And as we all know that India and Nepal have a friendly relation, and that's why Pakistan is planning to take benefit of this friendship, and that's why they are planning to put and send some unidentified men. And if you see the visuals, you can see the checking is currently on, the combing operation is on. Whosoever unidentified person is moving from one place to another or moving across the Indian border or crossing the Nepal border, they are being checked and identified by SSB Jawans. As you see, the SSB commandant out here, Ganga Singh, he's also in a way investigating this particular thing and interrogating and checking the belongings of this particular person.
अभी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद में हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान के जो संबंध है वो बहुत अच्छे नहीं हैं, तो उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हमारी जो सतर्कता है वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ा दी है। पहले भी हम सतर्क थे, लेकिन अभी चूंकि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद में पेट्रोलिंग भी बढ़ा दी है, हमारी मोबाइल चेकिंग भी बढ़ गई है और हम 24/7 राउंड द क्लॉक तत्पर हैं किसी भी एवेंचुअली को फेस करने के लिए।
Right around me are the brave soldiers of SSB, Sashastra Seema Bal of India. You have seen the forces around Kashmir, around the international borders, but Indo-Nepal border is also have become very, very sensitive after the information from the agencies about the presence of 30 to 35 unidentified militants from Bangladesh and Pakistan, and they can cross the border to India via Indo-Nepal border, and to ensure them not to cross and neutralize them if needed, the forces are doing the foot patrolling and the vehicular patrolling. This is the Indo-Nepal border. We are reporting from India, and if you see the right portion out here, you can get the sense that that's the Nepal. If you see the visuals out here, you can clearly get the sense how the SSB Jawans are ensuring the proper checking around the checkpost, and they are also stopping the people from Nepal because there is an alert about some movement of unidentified Pakistani nationals or militants, and that's why they are ensuring that dog squads are into action. And also if you see the IDs are being checked from the people coming from Nepal, or those who went to Nepal and now coming back to India, and you can clearly see how they are checking these particular IDs of those particular men. Not just that, there is a long queue around this particular situation, but the situation out here, as you see the number plates of these bikes, these vehicles, the Nepal number of vehicles out here, and all are being currently checked. And that's the situation out here in the Indo-Nepal border after an alert by the security agencies of the movement of unidentified Pakistani militants. And that's why, to ensure peace and tranquility around the state, around the area, the SSB Jawans are making best efforts to ensure safety. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastav, Indo-Nepal border for India Today.